unfortunately made it confusing. Now, see, I told you guys that egg must be fertilized here, right? Why? Because it takes 6 days for the egg to reach in the uterus. And it is necessary because only after 6 days the fertilized egg will start to release those enzymes which will help it dig into the uterine wall. Right? That's what I said. It should fertilize here and get to here in 6 days. Only then it is ready to get into the wall. But the sperm, the acrosome, the cap, the enzymes it has is to dig through the walls around the oocyte.
Around the egg?
Yeah. See all these layers and the date is inside. So
That's Houston.
that is why there are millions of sperms. Because one sperm cannot dig in through these walls. One sperm comes, dig a little bit, dies off. Another sperm comes in a little bit more, dies off. Many sperms. And then finally, one sperm, the lucky one, goes in. And then he enters.
So the slow sperm gets the day.
Right. It gets in there, and what he does, as soon as he enters the egg, there are changes made in this membrane so that no other can get it. Because polyspermy is not allowed. It's not that if the egg is fertilized by two sperm, the baby is very strong. That's no successful pregnancy, and only one sperm must get in there. Why? Because the sperm is coming with 23 chromosomes, and the egg has other 23 chromosomes. After they meet, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes, and that's what the normal number of chromosomes, right? If you have two sperms, then 23 plus 23 plus 23, it is not normal. In our cells, every cell has 23 pairs. And out of these 23 pairs, 23 from father, 23 from mother. And those 23 from father, they are in this part right here, in the head, where I said genetic material. Right? So that is it. Now, testis, epididymis, and the scrotum, the vas deferens or ductus deferens, the seminal vesicle, the ejaculatory duct from here to here, ejaculatory duct. This is the urinary bladder. This is the prostatic urethra. This is the prostate gland. This is the urogenital diaphragm. This is the membranous urethra. This is the Cowper's gland or bulbourethral gland. There begins the spongy urethra, and this is the corpus spongiosum, and this is corpora cavernosa. Corpus spongiosum and the corpora cavernosa are the erectile tissues. Out of these two types, corpora cavernosa is also found in clitoris, which is a female penis, and that also goes through erection at the time of arousal, and that happens because blood moves and fills up the spaces in corpora cavernosa, and that makes the erection, because when blood is filled in, it becomes hard, right? So you have that, and then this is the glans of penis, and this is the prepuce. So if the pointer is here, prepuce. If the pointer is here, glans of the penis. When the pointer is here, corpus spongiosum. When the pointer is here, corpora cavernosa. When the point is here, then ductus deferens. The point is here, urinary bladder. Point is here, seminal vesicle. Pointer is here, ejaculatory duct. Pointer is here, prostate gland. Pointer is here, prostatic urethra. Pointer is here, membranous urethra. The pointer is here, spongy urethra. This is the testis, this is the epididymis, and this is the scrotum. This is the function. Like the 60% of the semen, the fluid is made by Cowper's gland, prostate gland, or the seminal vesicle, right? Or the epididymis, or the testis. And the right answer is seminal vesicle. The gland that secretes the fibrinogen, that clots the semen, is secreted by this gland, this gland, this gland, and the right answer is seminal vesicle. The name of the tube between the junction of ductus deferens, seminal vesicle, and the prostatic urethra is, and you will choose the answer, ejaculatory duct. Good. And here the fimbriae, the fallopian tube, the uterus, body, fundus, the body, and the cervix. This is the vagina. This area is vestibule. This is urethra. This is urinary bladder. This is labia minora. This is labia majora. This is mons pubis. This is clitoris, and the tissue inside, just like this here, is the corpora cavernosa. And then this is the round ligament. This is the broad ligament. Remember, that covers everything. Broad ligament, right round ligament, and one thing you need to know, this is suspensory ligament. Suspensory ligament that also has the blood supply for the whole. Is vein and artery. Artery brings the blood in, vein takes the blood out from the ovum. This is corona radiata. This is the oocyte. Remember, it becomes egg after only the sperm enters the, then it resumes meiosis 2, and until then the sperm will enter here and it will wait on the site while the oocyte will complete the rest of the meiosis. When it is fully mature egg, when the meiosis is done, then sperms come to the center and fertilize. And Until then, the egg says, go and mop the floor. Right? So that is reproduction.